In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a slide in Canva. Duplicating a slide is a really simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time, especially when you're working on presentations, social media posts, or any design that uses a consistent layout. Instead of recreating the same design from scratch, you can just copy an existing page and then tweak the details. I'll walk you through two easy methods: using the menu inside Canva and using a quick keyboard shortcut. Let's start with the first method, using the three-dot menu. Once you have your Canva design open, look at the page, or slide, you want to copy. Beneath or beside that page, you'll see a small set of icons and, among them, a three-dot button. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens a small menu with several options related to that specific page. In that menu, look for the option that says Duplicate Page. When you click it, Canva will instantly create an exact copy of your slide and place it right next to the original. All the text, images, colors, and layout will stay the same, so you can quickly edit just the parts you want to change. This method is great if you like to work carefully and make sure you're duplicating the correct page without accidentally moving things around. It's clear, precise, and easy to repeat as many times as you need. Now, let's look at the second method, which is faster once you're comfortable with it. For this one, you'll use a keyboard shortcut along with your mouse. First, select the page you want to duplicate in the page list. Then, press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While you're still holding Alt, click on that page and drag it to the right. As you drag, you'll see a copy of the page moving with your cursor. When you let go of your mouse button, Canva will drop the duplicated slide into place. You can release the Alt key after that. This drag and duplicate method is especially useful when you want to reorder slides at the same time, because you can drag the new copy exactly where you want it in your project. To recap, you can either click on the three dots and choose Duplicate Page for a simple controlled copy, or hold Alt and drag the page to the right for a quick, more hands-on way of duplicating. Use whichever method feels more natural to you, and you'll speed up your workflow in Canva in no time.